Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mugure Joyce and today I'm going to be trying out this DIY hair mask, or if you will like, a deep conditioner. So I saw this deep conditioner on my Instagram page, and because my hair has been feeling so dry, I wanted to revitalize my hair, so I decided to just try it out. So for this process, you're going to need an avocado, a banana and an egg, and your black Jamaican castor oil. In order to make the particles a bit smaller, I decided to blend it. As you can see, it below, because I didn't want any remnants to remain in my hair. Just look at how smooth and creamy this paste is. I didn't want to use the whole avocado because I was making the mixture for just one person, and I didn't add the castor oil directly to the blender because this blender is just for food and I didn't want it to affect me or the people in the house. So yeah, I decided to add it after I mixed all the ingredients inside the blender. So here we are. I have already washed my hair because my hair needs to be clean for this process. I am also going to be starting with the back part as I move forward, and as you can see, the curls are just beginning to pop. This deep conditioner feels so amazing with my 4B4C textured hair, and I think this will now be my go-to mask. I am going to be applying this hair mask in sections, and once I'm done with one section, I'm going to do a loose twist and then I move on to the next. So first, I'm going to be putting on the plastic wrap on my hair in order to ensure that the heat is trapped so that my hair follicles can open up in order to absorb all the nutrients from the hair mask. Because I have low porosity hair, I'm going to incorporate heat. So this blow dryer and hair bonnet dryer, I got them from Kilimall, which was so affordable, and I got them delivered within a week. So if you like to order yours, please check them out. I'll link everything in the description box, so make sure to check them out after finishing this video. I totally love the bonnet dryer because it has the size regulator to make sure that the cape doesn't come off even while using it. I will be under this bonnet dryer for exactly 30 minutes. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have a room for. So this is how it looks like once the heat process is done. I just undo the braids and I will come back once I have rinsed out all the hair mask from my hair. So guys, this is how my hair looks like after rinsing it out. I used cold water in order to close up all the hair follicles. Now I am applying my Michaela leave-in conditioner, and afterwards I will be straightening my hair using medium heat. I just don't want to destroy my curl pattern, so I'm going to be using medium heat. Even while straightening, my hair felt so silky and so soft, and this is now going to be my go-to hair mask. And this is the final look, guys, and I already like how my hair feels. If you're going to decide to try this hair mask out, please do, and send me the results on my Instagram page. And also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and click on the bell notification in order to get notified each and every other time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you guys in my next upload. Bye.
got one or you can eat.